and just on 3 o'clock and the sun's out. Still scarred. Plenty of white blurred. But nice blue sky. As blue as we're going to get anyway. Looks like plenty of rain down over the Pennines. What I used to say was Yorkshire. No, that's wrong direction. That's the Pennine route. Use of frequencies. Yeah, frequencies in use in those. No sooner do I stop and there's a snot rocket trailing between those clouds at the moment, just going into that one. Now I don't have a viewfinder so I can't really see what's going on too well, so bear with me. There we are. Quite a long one. Following all this morning spraying, I've got those 2 clusters of chems up there, and over this way a load more markings. So generally they've been quite busy, and that one's done a sweeping curve across there. Right, there's no round the back, just that chemical cloud up there. Oh, a cluster of them. Most of the clouds look normal, but see the dodgy chemical clouds. Oh, that sun's white, it's giving me a headache. Right, that'll do for now, I think. The plane I've just chased, I've been waiting God knows how long for the bloody tablet to come to life, is this one, Delta. November 860 Delta Alpha. It's now heading up towards Carlisle, that's the one that left that trail out there. Pennine Wanderer. So that's that one up there, and it is Delta Airlines going from Paris to LA, and it's DAL119. It's a Boeing 777. I've already said registration, November 860 Delta Alpha. That's that one. A bloody job getting internet to work here. I say, well, you'll have to have 5G then, won't you? 5G? No, I'd rather not. It's a bloody weapon. I'd rather put up with this crap. Anyway, there you have it. Follow up on the trail before we set off. Clouds have cleared over this way, chemical clouds. Chemical clouds up there, and over that way, and remains of a chem up that way. Just a quick chemical sweep. The cloud up there is taking on the orange, the purple and greens. I can see the purple and greens, I hope the camera can. Specifically down its right hand side. Hold steady, not so good at this. But we'll see how that one goes. Well, maybe not. And down here, more chemicals. Across this way. There's those, just covering over. One at the bottom, 1, 2, 3, maybe more. Let's see the use of frequencies on that one now. The colours are getting pretty strong. Super bluey white with the purple and green down the side. Solid looking clouds down the end of the road. Oh, it's really taking on that thing. Now up here we've got Chem up there. Chem just over the rooftop behind that lamp post. Markings there and there. And over the top of the house, that one. That's probably the, what was it? American Airlines, whatever it was. Not this baby up here. Sit down. Try and get a bit steadier. Green streak down the middle. It's been overtaken. Getting quite windy now. All my things in the car are getting blown over.